Hey, hi, this is Ron, and today we are going to talk about the writing industry and how writing your book is one of the most difficult things you can ever do. Earlier, when it was like 18th century, 19th century, early 19th century, what you can do it, you can pitch to the publishers your ideas, and they would go and make a book out of the rich people ideas. But almost 50% of the book were of newbies who had no connection, no leverage, nothing, and they will make that book successful. The publishers were the real people because of which we were buying the book. If I see a logo of specific publisher, I know they have put the sweat in it and they have do their due diligence and the book is of some worth, and therefore I need to buy the book. And that's how you get new writers, new ideas, new stories, and so on. But right now, most of the publishers, almost all of the publishers, only bet on people who already have a following or already have an audience. And that's why if you're a newbie with no audience or no leverage, your book is not going to get published. All you will be left with a self-publication, and that's it. But the reality people don't know. Yes, there are pages like pitch to us. We will read the pages, but we don't read the pages. You can send your pitch to a wormhole and they will never reach out, but you send them, you have a 20,000 email newsletters who will buy the book. They are suddenly eager. Doesn't matter your story, doesn't matter your grammar, anything. They will find someone else to do the job for you. They just want to put your name on it, leverage your audience and sell it and make commissions. So now the publishers are not that important. They're only betting on the people who are already successful. So if you want to write a book and make it successful, you have very uh, limited scope, and you should uh, not try and perhaps give it up. But right now what you can do is go ahead and self-publish your book. And since all they want is an audience, you can try building up your audience, and maybe you will find an audience of 100 people who will buy your book. Maybe not that big enough that a traditional publisher will publish a book, but that's okay. Your book got published and it got in the hands of a few people, and perhaps they will share it, and maybe that's enough. That's the journey of most of the writers. And if you want to really make a living out of your writing, then you need to perhaps become a ghostwriter for a famous person, or you need to write for websites, magazines, and so on and so forth. But writing as a book and becoming successful and making money from it, making a name, is in the past. And you have to just roll your dice self-publishing and just hope and pray, or you need to bring and make your own audience, and then suddenly all of the publishers will be interested in you to publish your book so that they can benefit out of it. Of course they can amplify your reach, but only when you have an initial reach. So that's the downfall of the writing industry publishing scenario. But nevertheless, you have a story in you, you have an idea in you, go ahead and write that book, self publish it, and share it with the audience.